Hello everyone, this is Adam from Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Profitec Pro 600. It came into the shop because it was having difficulty, with the steam system and maintaining temperature. Well, it had difficulty, getting up to the right temperature for good steam pressure, difficulty maintaining it. Sometimes it would settle below, the set temperature. It had difficulty recovering, and these were intermittent issues. With these machines, Profitec ECM Rocket, um, most of the time it's due to a solid state relay failing. Semiconductor devices, they can kind of fail in strange ways. They're temperature sensitive, and oftentimes they come out of the factory without any, thermal paste, and heat dissipation in here is not very good, so they tend to fail. And when they do fail, sometimes they can cause intermittent issues, sometimes working, sometimes not working, as opposed to just not working all the time. Um, yeah, so um, we ended up replacing the solid state relay. Here's the old one. You won't be able to tell that it's not working just by looking at it. But we put the new one in, with thermal paste to help with thermal contact. And then we also cleaned the group head, involved replacing the gasket, shower screen, back flushing, and cleaning out the group head. This is the old gasket. You can see it's broken in half. It was pretty brittle. It's lost its pliability, so it can't keep a good seal. And that's about it. So here I'm just going to demonstrate. We have good steam. You can see the steam pressure dips, and then you can see it jumps right back up. And I've power cycled this machine several times, and it's maintained good steam pressure. I'm probably going to adjust the steam temperature down a little bit. The user probably, adjusted it up while it was having the issues to account for the malfunction. But I'll let the user turn it back down, in the settings to whatever they desire. Right now it's sitting at about 1.7, or not 1.6. And then just, demonstrate the rest of the machine's working fine. I just have some coffee in the portafilter. There's no drip tray provided, so we have this funny setup. But I'm just going to demonstrate that it makes coffee as well. And this is our test coffee, so it might not be the best, piece of espresso. We don't have it dialed in or anything. Right now it's coming out a little bit fast, but that's okay. That's just a calibration thing. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching.